Alright, here at the junkyard, came upon this Impala last time, and while I was told it's a 427 car, it is not. It is a 1967 Impala SS 396 4-speed bucket seat car. And I've been told this interior is very rare. See the SS. There's a lot of thorny vines here, but you can see this thing has been here for a very long time, to say the least. Oh, someone stole the SS emblem off the front, but still got the cool flags. And then the all original 396 is still under there. Next to it's like a Dodge 880 or something like that. This side has Nike's. Remind me to edit that out. 396 SS emblems. A lot of ticks in this yard, so you gotta be very careful. See the... Or why is it weirding out? Oh, jeez. SS emblem in the grill. So it's actually an extremely rare car. Big block, 4-speed, 67 Impala SS. Yeah, that's all. Sitting here in the junkyard. That's so cool, though. After checking on the Impala, I went home and the owner of the yard actually talked to me and said that they had decided that they actually were going to sell the Impala. They didn't think they were going to get it done in time, and with them cleaning up the yard, they're actually going to dig it out, and not sure exactly what's going to happen with it. It will get sold, though, so that's a plus. And these are pictures from, I think, 2016 when I saw it the very first time, and that's when I was told it was a 427, but it actually turned out to be a 396. But it's still a 396 4-speed Impala SS convertible, which is nothing to sneeze at. Okay, well, I got back from Hot Rod Power Tour, a week ago Monday, which will be tomorrow. But then I had to go to work and then traveled for 2 days over the weekend. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is the last video in this series on the Impala. And last I heard is they're going to dig it out and it's actually going to be for sale here. I think I mentioned that earlier in the voiceover. But I've actually been working on my green car a little bit. This week I'll get a new battery for it, get it up and going. I ordered some paint because on a Mopar you need to paint the core support. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you all apprised, and I know a few people have been asking for a full video. So I will talk to you all soon, and stay safe until then. Don't forget, I do a new video every Monday, and of course I post on all my social media just about every day. See you all soon. Stay safe.